Graphic design is an exciting career choice for anyone interested in art. People who hope to earn a living from their creativity have so many more options today due to technology. The best part about a career in graphic design is that you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a degree to enter the field. If you want to work with a company, then yes, an associate's or a bachelor's degree may be necessary. But if you want to become a freelance graphic designer, putting together a great portfolio of your work can be all that you need to earn a decent living. The average yearly salary of a freelance graphic designer is around $62,000. So how can you learn graphic design without paying a hefty tuition? The answer is Skillshare. Skillshare has over 17,000 classes in many different subjects. All classes are based around a project that you will complete to practice as you learn. Here are 10 classes that together will give you a well-rounded skill set in graphic design. And remember, with each class project you complete, you'll be growing your graphic design portfolio to show future clients. The first class is Basics of Photoshop 2013 Fundamentals for Beginners. This class, taught by Meg Lewis, will cover the basics of Photoshop. You'll learn how to edit images, add typography, choose colors, and create compositions. Your class project will be to design a mood board. The next class is Graphic Design Basics Core Principles for Visual Design, taught by Ellen Lupton and Cooper Hewitt of the Smithsonian Design Museum. This class will teach you the 5 basic design principles, how to curate your own work for effectiveness and balance, and how to apply what you've learned to future projects. Your class project will be to design a layout combining images and typography. The next class is Typography That Works, Typographic Composition and Fonts, another class taught by Ellen Lupton and Cooper Hewitt. And in this class, you'll learn a variety of typeface elements and how to best utilize them. Your class project will be to redesign your business card. The next class is Digital Lettering, Designing Typography for Headlines in a Visual Layout by Alex Trocott. And this class will guide you through finding inspiration, sketching concepts, designing your headline, and creating a final layout. Your class project will be to letter a headline from your favorite publication. The next class is Illustrating Patterns, Creating Hand-Drawn Wallpaper. This class will take you through the process of illustrating your favorite household objects, then turning the drawings into a repeat pattern for wallpaper. Your class project will be to create wallpaper with hand-drawn illustrations. The next class is Illustration for Designers, Create Your Own Geometric Animal. In this class, you'll learn how to master vector illustrations. You will learn practical ways to simplify complex forms, create unified compositions, and style with restraint. Your class project will be to create a geometric illustration of your favorite animal. The next class is Mastering Logo Design, Gridding with the Golden Ratio. This class will teach you about the golden ratio and when to use it, gridding a complex logo in Adobe Illustrator, incorporating golden ratios to create natural marks, and fine-tuning techniques to ensure perfection. Your class project will be to design a logo using the golden ratio. The next class is Digital Illustration, Doodles to Designs. This class will teach you how to digitize, publish, and polish your doodles. Your class project will be to create an art print you can sell from your doodles. The final class is Game Design, Design Your Own Print-Ready Cards for Tabletop Games. This class will teach you about breaking down a card design into easy-to-understand blocks. You'll learn about free resources for prototype iconography and art using InDesign's data merge to make revising cards a snap. Your class project will be to design your own print-ready cards for tabletop games. So the links to these classes below are my referral links, which will give you 2 months of premium Skillshare for free. You can cancel at any time before your 2 months are up without having to pay anything. If you do decide to keep going after your 2 months, premium membership is $96 a year, and I found it to be extremely worth it for unlimited access to all of their classes. The next class is Intro to Graphic Design, illustrating badges and icons with geometric shapes. This class will teach you how to use basic geometric shapes in Illustrator to craft complex visuals in a minimum amount of space. Your class project will be to create a set of icons or badges using basic geometric shapes.